I have been doing this for 30 years, and my garlic grows like crazy. September is the perfect time to plant onions and garlic, and right now is the ideal moment to prepare your garden for a healthy and abundant harvest. Many gardeners think that it is enough to simply plant the bulbs in prepared soil and wait for them to grow. But real success comes from careful preparation of the planting material and planning each step. Onions and garlic are very sensitive plants, prone to various diseases and pest attacks, and neglecting disinfection or choosing unhealthy bulbs can result in weak crops, small bulbs, and poor quality harvest. That is why preparing the planting material is a crucial step to ensure strong, healthy, and resilient plants. Before you begin, it is important to thoroughly prepare the soil. Autumn is an excellent period because the soil is still warm, allowing the bulbs to develop roots before the cold months arrive. The soil should be loose, rich in nutrients, and well-drained. Adding compost, manure, or natural mineral supplements can significantly improve soil structure and give the plants a strong start, leading to larger and higher quality yields in the spring. Proper soil preparation also helps retain moisture and prevents moisture-related diseases. Now let's look at 3 methods to improve your planting material and protect it from pests and diseases. I will demonstrate on a small sample, but the same principles apply to the entire crop. The first method involves natural disinfection using wood ash. Add a tablespoon of ash to a liter of warm water and stir well until all the minerals dissolve. Submerge the bulbs in the solution for 10 minutes. Then remove them and let them air dry naturally. Ash not only disinfects, but is also a powerful source of potassium, phosphorus, and other minerals that promote growth and make the plants more resilient. This eco-friendly method has been used by experienced gardeners for centuries because it improves crop quality and strengthens the natural immunity of the plants. Friends, leave a comment sharing which methods you have used so far and what works best for you. The second method uses ordinary table salt, which is highly effective against onion flies, mites, and other pests. This method requires a bit more time, so it is best to first soak the bulbs in plain water for 2 hours to hydrate them and prepare them for the salt bath. Then prepare a solution of half a tablespoon of salt per liter of water and leave the bulbs in it for up to 4 hours. After soaking, rinse them thoroughly with clean water to remove excess salt and prevent any damage. Salt acts as a natural protector and enhances plant resistance, especially in areas where onion flies are a common problem. The third method involves using baking soda, a well-known natural disinfectant and plant protector. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to a liter of water and soak the bulbs for 30 minutes. Baking soda helps destroy fungal spores and bacteria, while also improving the plant's resistance to diseases during the entire growing period. This simple, natural, and safe procedure reduces the risk of infections and ensures that your plants grow strong and healthy. In addition to preparing the solutions, it is extremely important to carefully select your planting material. The bulbs you plant should be firm, intact, free of signs of rot, and as large as possible, as this will result in stronger and healthier plants. Discard any bulbs that look suspicious, as they can produce weak or diseased plants that may slow down the growth of the entire crop. High-quality planting material is the foundation of a successful harvest and greatly increases the chances of bountiful and healthy yield. Combining proper soil preparation with careful disinfection of planting material will give you an abundance of healthy onions and garlic, rich in flavor and nutrients. These methods are simple, natural, accessible to everyone, and proven to improve crop quality. The difference in yield will be immediately noticeable, and your plants will be stronger and more resistant to diseases. Dear friends, I hope these methods help your garden thrive and that you enjoy a rich and satisfying harvest. If you found this content helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel to follow more useful tips and tricks for gardening. Thank you for your support and happy planting.